our first wall camping and off-roading trip to Terapai Waterfall. And the rain had other plans for us. No signal, just a wicked road, mud everywhere, and a whole lot of beginner moves. A few obstacles in right before the campground. The mud right before the campground was challenging. They needed winching just to get through. Even at the camp, it wasn't over. Felt like skiing on mud, cars sliding everywhere. The waterfall worth every second stop. We spent the whole day swimming and relaxing. On the next day, our friend drove all the way from Singapore alone to join us. The kids couldn't wait to jump straight into the waterfall. Splashing, games, and a whole day just being together. Driving out was its own challenge. Every car took turns pulling each other through. No one was left behind. Every stuck car became everyone's problem to solve together. One of us slipped, and our experienced friends knew exactly what to do, winching off a tree point to get us out. Then we fell into a massive hole. Winch again, rescues again. Off-roading isn't just about the obstacles, it's about the team that helps you through them. Thank you every hand that pulled us out, every skill share, and every moment we tackled together. And finally, we were out. It was a huge, unforgettable learning experience, and so grateful for this team, for the skills they share and the guiding us through every rescue. We camp for the waterfall, relax with something better, a team we can always count on, no matter how deep the mud gets. Can't wait for the next trail.